Hi, in this video you will be able to understand how this theme looks, and if you want to purchase it, then why should you purchase this. So this is the theme name Marketo. You can get it at $29 from the Invato market. There are many demos that are already created and you can import them anytime. So we have the default demo for the people who want to create an multi-vendor website for the furnitures like paperfry.com. There is a demo for the grocery website like Big Basket. We have a shoes website, a watch website, auto parts website, eyewear website, jewelry website, electronics website, organic, electronic, electronic, electronic and electronic. There are many types of electronic websites. It has unlimited colors that we can customize the way we want. It's 100% compatible with the WooCommerce. Like I said, it's 100% compatible with the token plugin. It is created in Elementor. It includes social login and multi-vendor setup. So let's see a closer look at any of the demo. Let's see the default one. So let me show you what are the features that you will be getting if you purchase this theme. So the best part is it has a one-click installation, so you don't have to do much. You just have to click on the one-click installation button and the demo will start to import by its own. So this is Marketo live demo. Like we can see, this is the slider evolution, which is like $30, which they have provided in this theme. They are the WooCommerce product which are compatible with the token. It also has something like minutes, hours and time offers. It has category options with the slider and the mini products. So it looks really awesome and very beautifully created theme. It's really fabulous and you must take this theme if you want to create amazing WooCommerce multi-vendor website. Let me show you a single product how it looks. So let me click on the laptop, how it looks. So now you will be able to see the single product page of the product. So this is the page which is used for the single product. You can see the galleries. Also you have an option to see the quick view of the image. You have the option to add or remove the quantity, your description and other things that you want in the website. And also at the end of the website you will be able to add the related products like the way you want. You have the option to add favorite button and many more. This is the best theme I have used for the WooCommerce multi-vendor website, and must say this is the best and you must get this theme.